Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best budget cookware sets in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these budget cookware sets, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart TPS-10 10-piece cookware set. The Cuisinart TPS-10 10-piece cookware set is the slightly smaller version of the 12-piece set that's among our favorite cookware sets. While it doesn't have the steamer insert of the larger set, the 10-piece still includes everything you need to cook a meal. And its price is friendlier to your wallet. The pans in this set are easy to use, with comfortable handles and a design that creates a nice balance when holding the pan. The triple-ply construction gives the pans the benefit of heat conductivity. While testing the multi-clad 12-piece set, we loved its incredible performance. We had no complaints with the medium-sized Saute pan, which not only comfortably fit 4 chicken thighs but also seared each one to perfection, and the large stock pies well-sized for making soup, cooking pasta, or blanching vegetables. It was easy to name the Cuisinart as a top cookware set. It has everything you need for a starter kitchen, and it's a great choice for those looking to upgrade their old sets, too. Reasons to buy. Triple-ply construction. Conducts heat well. Comfortable handles. Reasons to avoid. None that we could find. Number 2. T-Fal C560 Nonstick 12-piece cookware set. Don't let the low price on the T-Fal C560 Titanium Advanced Nonstick 12-piece cookware set fool you. It scored higher marks on our tests than significantly more expensive sets. There are plenty of advantages to both nonstick and stainless steel types of cookware, but you'll generally find nonstick is easier to clean. While a traditional nonstick pan will never rival a stainless one when it comes to searing meat, this set performed admirably during testing. It also cooked eggs perfectly without oil. The saucepans cooked rice and simmered sauces without scorching, and the stockpot boiled water faster than the competition. The comfortable, padded handles, which are ergonomically designed, stay cool as you use them. The pans heat up quickly and evenly, and they are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Reasons to buy. Cooked eggs and simmered sauces perfectly. Fast water boiling speed. Comfortable, padded handles. Reasons to avoid. Can't sear meat as well as a stainless set. Number 3. Cuisinart GG-12 GreenGourmet 12-piece set. The Cuisinart GreenGourmet hard anodized 12-piece cookware set heats evenly and is easy to clean. During testing, we had no issues with this set's nonstick properties, and it scored well on most of our performance tests. There were, however, a few things we didn't like. The saucepans don't stack well for storage. The small saucepan kept getting stuck inside the larger pan, which led to scratched edges. The set includes a lot of value for the price, but the Saute pan is smaller than we'd like, and we felt this set missed out by not including a 12-inch skillet. Part of Cuisinart's eco-friendly line, this ceramic cookware has a nonstick coating that's PTFE and faux-free. The company says the ceramic nonstick coating helps conserve existing oil supplies compared to petroleum-based coatings. It's one of the few nonstick pan sets we tested that comes with metal lids, something we appreciate since they're more durable and easier to store. Reasons to buy. Heats evenly. Great value. Comes with metal lids. Reasons to avoid. Doesn't stack well for storage. Doesn't include a large skillet. Number 4. T-Fal Endurance Collection Platinum Nonstick 14-piece cookware set. It's hard to beat the price on the T-Fal Endurance Platinum Nonstick 14-piece set, which also met our performance expectations. The pans did tend to get hotter faster than other sets we tested, so you need to be careful when using them over medium-high heat. This set is a little heavy, and we didn't love the tall buttons on top of the glass lids, which made them hard to store. The handles get hotter, too, so be sure to have a set of oven mitts ready. This nonstick set comes with 3 metal utensils. Generally, we don't recommend using metal on nonstick as it can wear down the coating, even on pans rated for use with metal utensils. Reasons to buy. Inexpensive. Comes with bonus utensils. Heats up quickly. Reasons to avoid. Handles get hot. Difficult to store. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Nonstick 10-piece cookware pots and pan set. The OXO Nonstick 10-piece cookware pots and pan set has superior nonstick abilities, and we love the silicone-coated handles, which are ergonomically designed. This set doesn't heat as evenly as the others, however, and some of our vegetables burned before the rest cooked through. Also, the handle rivets are close together, making the pans harder to clean. The set, which stacks nicely for storage, comes with a great variety of pots and pans, but we wish the 3-quart Saute pan was wider because the set lacks a 12-inch pan. Reasons to buy: easy to store, good variety of pots and pans, great nonstick performance. Reasons to avoid: doesn't heat evenly, difficult to clean.